Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you looking for the Message tab in Outlook? Many users search for this. It's important to understand how Outlook organizes its features. There isn't a single, permanent tab simply labeled Message that stays visible all the time. You won't find it like the Home or a View tabs in the main window. Instead, message-related tools appear in different places. This depends on what you are doing. When you are actively composing a new email, replying to one, or forwarding a message, a special contextual tab will appear. This is on the ribbon at the top of your message window. This tab is indeed called a Message. It holds all the tools you need for that specific task. You'll find options for formatting text, attaching files, inserting pictures, setting importance, and the Send button. This Message tab is dynamic. It only shows up when you are creating or editing an email. For general message management within your inbox or other mail folders, most actions are under the Home tab. This tab is your main hub. On the Home tab, you'll find buttons to create new emails, reply, reply all, forward, delete messages, move them to different folders, and categorize them. If you need advanced options for a specific message, check this File tab for saving or printing. Also, look at the Options tab within a new message window for delivery settings. So, the Message tab is a temporary helper when writing. The Home tab handles most other email tasks.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.